So we keep having a problem. This isn't the tool, obviously, because it does the check when it's on the tap. If there's any chips on the tap when it goes to touch off the tool for the tool breakage detection, the fast tool breakage detection, it goes down and boop, it checks. The part where it does that, blah blah blah, it checks some things in here. Well, it probes it and checks to see if it's too long, too short, too fat, too skinny. So it goes to this point right here if the tool is longer than it's expecting. So now I set it so that it'll go home and then it'll set a flag. I just picked a random variable that we never use for anything and set it equal to a certain flag. And then if it's 1, as in like it, I'll explain that line in a minute, I guess. So it comes here, it goes home, it checks the flag, and then it hits an M0 and says clear chips from OTS/tool. So you'll clean your tool off, and then it sets the flag equal to 1, and then it goes to 6566, which I put right here at the beginning. It just loops back to the beginning and touches the tool off again. So it stays over there, checks the tool again, and then if it checks the tool again and it actually pulled out, that's where this flag comes in. It sets 599 to 1. If 591 is still equal to 1 when it sends it down here to tell you that the tool pulled out. If it's still equal to 1, that means it's still pulled out even after the chips and everything have been pulled off. And then it'll alarm out and say tool pulled. Otherwise, that flag, if it goes up for the second time and hits that alarm, and if it goes up the second time and then passes, it's not actually pulled out. At the end of the subroutine, or at the end of the subprogram, I set that flag equal to 0 before it returns back to the main program. So that's the explanation of that and how the code works. In practice now, the machine will stop. It won't alarm out. It'll be an M0. Then you can clean off the tool, press cycle, start again, and continue on your way instead of having to restart the program, figure everything out, everything like that. So yeah, small improvement to eliminate some of the struggle.